Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Now I am going to show you how to do this little loopy stitch, a crocheted loopy stitch. But the tutorial is on this beautiful little loopy stitch. Once you learn how to do this easy little stitch, you can make a whole load of pretty things. You can make squares and make cushion covers. Even on the inside it's very pretty. You can make blankets with this stitch as well. I'm not going to show you how to do the hat. I'm going to show you how to do this loop stitch. A little knot like that. Now I'm only going to do a chain of 15. I'm going to show you how to do this. So for your chain, you just go around your hook and pull it through your stitch. Around your hook and pull it through. Around your hook and pull it through. So once you've got your foundation chain, you do your foundation chain whatever length you want. We're going to do the whole chain in a double crochet. That's a single crochet if you're in America. And we're going to start in the second chain from the beginning. Don't count that stitch. So we're going to count 1, 2, and that's where we're going to start. Just go straight through that chain. Try and catch both little parts of that chain stitch. Pull your yarn through, put your yarn over and come through both those stitches. So the same again, go through your chain, catch your yarn and pull it through, put your yarn over your hook and pull it through. We're going to do this all the way to the end. So to make the loops, it's really easy. You need to make sure that you've got your yarn coming across your hand this way. But to form the loop, it needs to go around your finger like this. So make sure you've got it going across the front of your finger like this. Now go through your first stitch. You're going to knock your yarn back behind this one. Twist and pull it through your stitch. Put your yarn over and bring it through these 2 stitches. And that makes your little loop. I'll show you that again. So we're going to go through our next stitch. You're going to push the yarn to the back, tap it to the back and wrap it around this front and pull it through. And you get like a little twisted double stitch here. That's you making the knot to hold your little loop. And pull your yarn through. So through your stitch and then tap the wool around like that and pull it through to make your loop. Just drop your loop and through those 2 stitches. As long as you've got the yarn round the front of your finger, you'll manage to make that loop. Now just take the hook to the on top of this yarn here and push it around the back as you make your stitch and through. Let your loop go, yarn over and come through those 2 stitches. So through your stitch, yarn to the front, around the back and pull through. yarn over and through your stitches. We're going to work like that all the way to the end. Each stitch gets a loop. So hook through your stitch, tap that part around and pull it through with your stitch. Yarn over and through both stitches. So tap your yarn around the back and pull through and through your 2 stitches. It can be just a little bit fiddly to begin with, and this is what makes your nice uniform little loops. Tap it around to the back and pull it through the stitch. Put your hook through your stitch, your next stitch. Make sure your yarn's at the front. Tap it around to the back and pull it through your stitch. Yarn over and through both those stitches. Through your next stitch, yarn to the front, tap it around and pull it to the back and pull it through. Now make sure you get this last one here. If you don't catch that last one, your work will start to work its way in like that and it won't stay straight. So make sure you catch that last stitch. So around and pull it through. Bring your yarn over and through both those stitches. Now we're going to chain 1 and turn your work. Now there's all your little line of loops, just like that. Now the second row, this pattern is made up of 2 rows. In the USA it's called a single crochet, in the UK it's called a double crochet. So just put your hook through. Now the part you're going through is, you'll see like a little hole here at each stitch, just past the little knot of each loop. So put your hook through that little hole that you can see, pull your yarn through and through both stitches. Now you can see the little, you see the little gaps? Put your hook through, pull your yarn through and finish your stitch. Now this is really easy. We're going to do this double crochet all the way along to the end for that last stitch. Now we're going to chain 1 and turn our work. Now it makes a really nice pattern on this side as well. If you're going to make a loopy rug, this is the side that you'll stitch on some non-slip matting if you're going to make a rug. So again, go through your first stitch, just knock that yarn round and pull through and come through both your stitches. Through your stitch, knock it back and around and through your stitches. So knock your yarn to the back and hook it through to the front and come through those stitches. Again, it's really pretty. It's a really pretty little stitch. You can make bags like this and purses. There's a whole load of things that you can use this stitch for. It's really nice if you make it into a bag as well. So thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Please click that subscribe button. There's a little bell button there as well. If you hit that bell button, you'll be notified as a subscriber to my channel when I post another tutorial. So once again, give this little stitch a try. It's really easy. So until the next time, happy crafting, and I'll see you all again soon. Goodbye.